Water is the principle of all things. All comes from water, and to water all returns. Over 70% of the Earth's surface is water-covered, and water makes up 2/3 of the human body. Likewise, we cannot survive without water. Domestic sewage, industrial wastewater, livestock excretions, and other pollution sources caused by human interference every day are significantly threatening us as the self-purification capacity of the Earth reaches the limit. A technology that purifies and recycles polluted water is urgently needed in order for us to escape from the danger. Ecohaisity is leading the development of wastewater. Ecohaisity Corporation Limited. PVD System, Ecohaisiti's eco-friendly processing. Treatment system contributing to improve the Earth's health by dealing with water, the originating principle of all things, with win-win technologies. PVD system of Ecohaisity maximizes the treatment efficiency with small-scale distribution method and processes wastewater after physically removing sludge for over 98% with Snowflake technology of Ecohaisity. This technology enables to eliminate sources of odor caused by sludge decay during biological process and physically remove heavy metals and all other pollutants of wastewater by 90% to purify and recycle the water in a small space and short period of time. PVD System Flow. PVD system consists of 6 steps, including centrifugation, snowflake, electrolysis system, aeration tank, sludge thickener, and filtration. First, solid containment and suspended solids contained in wastewater are removed in centrifugation to be injected into snowflake. Mixed tanks of snowflake consist of reaction chamber 1, 2, and 3. pH regulator, flocculant, and coagulant are injected into mixed tanks to control pH level and temperature properly for coagulation and flocculation of sludge dissolved in wastewater. With high-speed stirring, speedy reaction is induced to separate sludge from the water. Reaction Tank 1 induces reactions by allowing materials to pass through reaction chamber from 1 to 4 in order. Materials are stirred in Reaction Tank 1 in proper time and temperature for reactions, and stable reactions are promoted in each chamber. In Coagulation and Flocculation Tank, coagulation-flocculation aids are injected for high-speed stirring of sludge separated in Reaction Tank 1. After high-speed stirring, the sludge is activated to have a snowflake shape and is completely separated from the water as it is packed in large size during the process. Water and sludge flew in from Coagulation and Flocculation Tank slowly passes 15 tubes, and the snowflake-shaped sludge is gradually thickened. Blowholes are formed in the sludge during the process so that the water contained in the sludge is naturally released without physical force in the thickener. The sludge of reaction water flew in from Reaction Tank 2, has blowholes, and it is floating to the top of the reaction separation tank as it is lighter than water. The sludge layer that is formed during the process induces natural dewatering before it is released to the sludge thickener. As for water and sludge flowed in from reaction separation tank, the water is released to the bottom while passing through the thickener, and the sludge is injected into dehydrator and released with a cake shape, and the moisture contained in the sludge is removed by 68 to 72%. Electrolysis system is used for electrochemical decomposition of harmful substances in the inflow water that is separated from sludge by providing electric power to organic and inorganic electrolytes. In the electrochemical decomposition process, hydrogen ion is discharged to generate hydrogen gas, and the hydrogen gas produced removes pigment by returning organic matters. The processed water released from electrolysis system and flue-in aeration tank is provided with oxygen to maintain oxygen concentration in the water and temperature requirements for microbial growth so that resident microflora or aerobic bacteria needed for wastewater treatment such as Vorticella, Euglypha, Arcella, and nematode can be grown naturally to decompose harmful substances. In the thickener, activated sludge flew in from aeration tank is submerged and only overlying water is delivered to filtration system to pass through residues in order of stone, zeolite, and coconut carbon. Filtration tank 1 passes small and large stones and provides oxygen to activate microorganism cultivation. Tank 2 removes non- and heavy metals that are difficult to be eliminated by using the ion exchange capacity of zeolite. Tank 3 and 4 pass coconut carbon for odor removal, decoloration, and pH treatment in accordance with water quality standards, and the water is discharged to the river or recycled as industrial water, etc. Benefits of PVD system. The wastewater treatment system today processes water by injecting it into microorganism culture tank and thickener without removing sludge in general. With this approach, it is difficult to eliminate sludge submerged in the culture tank and thickener, and bad odors are generated due to sludge decay. In PVD system, patent-registered Snowflake, developed by Ecohaisity Corporation Limited, physically removes all sludge and does not generate bad odors due to sludge decay during biological processes. Also, no sludge accumulation is occurred as the sludge is not submerged in the culture tank. With complete systems automation, all processes are operated without wastewater treatment technologies, resulting in reduction of treatment cost. And the processing duration can be shortened for over 40 days comparing to previous methods. The future society of the 21st century is the green era, and it is also a vision that UN envisages. As the need for wastewater treatment system increasingly arises globally these days, Ecohaisity Corporation Limited will make a constant effort to be an eco-friendly company, contributing to the mankind future generation and the development of global environment industry. Thank you.